What's up guys, this is Tony and you're watching the Capped Malayali. So today we are going to unbox the SKYVIK Signi 20x macro lens. So I got this lens from Amazon for almost 1200 rupees and the reviews were so good, so that's why I chose SKYVIK company. And let's see how the box looks and how's the product and how's the packaging and all. The packaging wise it is really nice. They have a really great logo and they have placed the lens name in the front and the company's name at the top, and there are a lot more features explained in the back. So let's just see the product. Let's see how it looks. So inside the main package there is another package which has a matte black finish, and it is really a hard case, and inside that there is another case which contains our product. So let's just open this and see how the actual zipper case is. Okay, so this is the zipper case that contains our product, and this is really nice because it has a zipper pouch and the case is a hard shell kind of rubber case, and I think it can hold the lens pretty well and it will be protected also. And inside the box there is other things like they have a welcoming message, and at the back of that if you see you can register any complaints or send them feedbacks or anything like that. And other than that there are other cards which specify their other products, like this one is their anamorphic lens, and at the back they have also specified their various other lenses, and they have already introduced their new kind of phone stands. And there are other things like thank you message there from their side, and they also have a user manual which specifies how to place your lens, etc. Now just let's see the product. Wow, this is a really great packaging. Like they have included everything inside the small box. They have given a pouch, and it is a normal cloth pouch, and they have also given a microfiber cloth with which you can clean the lenses, and a clip to carry your zipper case. There is a hard casing around the lens, so the lens will be protected at any cost, and there is a lens cap also. So yeah, this is the lens, and it is really small. It is really great in terms of build quality, and the plastic is like a really good quality plastic, and it is really hard and steady. So this is the lens. Now let's just see how it looks when we place it in a phone. So I have tried it with the A31 Samsung model. So when you keep the lens on the phone, the front part of the phone, like the topmost corner, will get blocked and that is a kind of disadvantage for these kinds of lenses because you can't access the touch there. And in case of multiple camera phones, it is really hard because when you keep it on different angles, it will definitely block that much of screen on the front, so that is a big disadvantage. Now let's see the few photos that I have taken using Samsung A31 and iPhone, and I will show you both pictures with and without the lenses. So there is a distortion at the end of the lens, like most part will be distorted, and only in the center it will be focused and you will get a clear image. But in terms of iPhone, I didn't see much of a difference when using this lens, but in terms of Samsung A31 model, I saw a huge difference with the lens and without the lens. And in this video I used iPhone XS, and I didn't see much difference while using the lens and without the lens. It is pretty much same. So my suggestion is that if you have a great camera, like great mobile camera, then don't go for this macro lens. It will be almost the same. But if you don't have a great camera, then definitely you can choose this lens. It is affordable, it is really good in terms of macro photography. Do let me know in the comments if you like the lens or if you are already using this lens. That's it for today guys. See you guys in the next video. Cap Malayali signing off.